Christmas, more than just a date on the calendar, it's a celebration of hope, love, and joy. A time when the world comes together, bound by the warmth of goodwill and the spirit of giving. At its heart, Christmas is a story of light breaking into darkness. Over 2000 years ago, in a humble manger in Bethlehem, a child was born. Jesus Christ, the Prince of Peace, came to remind us of the power of love and the promise of redemption. But Christmas isn't just about looking back, it's about living the message today. Whether it's helping a neighbor, sharing a meal, or simply offering a kind word, Christmas calls us to see the divine spark in everyone we meet. It's also a time of traditions, decorating trees, singing carols, and exchanging gifts. Each act, small or grand, carries the same message: you are loved, you are remembered. As we celebrate this season, may we carry its light into the world, because the true meaning of Christmas isn't found in what we receive, but in how we share its spirit.
Wishing you all a very happy Christmas.